I have been through the same phase through which you all are going. That is the exam anxiety phase. Maybe you are having the first major exam in this 5 years. You all will have doubt in this phase. One doubt regarding my GT scores are not improving, and that is causing depression, or else you will be doubting whether I will get my dream college or dream branch. Even the toppers have the doubt. See, I wanted dermatology seat in Delhi. So I needed to get top 100 rank, and you are not sure about that. Even the toppers are having self-doubt now. So now today I am going to share you my story, how I tackled these all self-doubts which is induced by this exam. Coming to my stories, my major improvement in the score came in the last 21 days. And in this last 21 days, my mother said that, Beta, as you have studied now, I have never seen you to study this much. I hardly studied 8 hours to 8.5 hours a day, but it was my maximum limit of concrete concentrated studying. I have divided into 3 weeks because the last 21 days in this my score jumped from 624 to 692, and believe me this is a major jump क्योंकि 624 मार्क्स आता तो शायद 2000 के आसपास रैंक आता, वही 692 होने की वजह से my rank was 29. In my first week there was a hectic posting, the orthopedics posting. हम लोगों के कॉलेज में क्या होता है ना कि यहाँ पे NMC gives 14 days leaves, but here we don't have that. We don't get any leaves. Even on medical emergency also we don't get leaves. So what we have to do, we have to send someone in our replacement. So मैंने ऐसा एक जन को देखा था, but what happened that his mother had stroke and I had to do the duty. So 13th को my co-intern did, it was a cool day. 14th I did, and in the rest of the days I had to give replacement to other people. एंड सोचो एग्जाम का पढ़ाई करूँ या फिर कौन मेरा रिप्लेसमेंट में जाएगा ये वाला सोचूं. सो इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस. In this aspect, you all are sitting in your home. Most of your internship is over. So you all don't have this added stress, जो कि मेरा था. So you should be thanking yourself that you are blessed that you are not having additional stresses. Everyone's battle is different. There may be family issues, financial issues and all, which we all don't know. Week 2 was cool duty, that was Dharma. I had done many other duties in anesthesia, so I only got posted for one day in Dharma. Week 3 was surgery. I gave 15 days replacement. So net I could study 19 days. These 19 days, what I followed, I will let you know soon. Now, what I am going to tell you is that your rank is in a range. ठीक है, तुम्हारा एक गो range में ही fixed है. Like if you give your worst, that is your lower limit. If you give your best in the exam day, that is your upper limit. So maybe my range was between rank 15 to rank 700. Now if I had overthinking and lot of expectations, what would have happened? My rank would have slided towards the negative side, that is 700. And if I was free of mind, calm, composed, then my rank would have slided towards the 15 side, that is the better side. मैंने एग्ज़ाम के पहले कुछ सोचा ही नहीं कि मेरा क्या होने वाला है, एग्ज़ाम में कैसा परफॉर्म करूँगा. सो आई वॉज फुल्ली रिलैक्स्ड इन माइंड. आई वॉज हैविंग एडिशनल स्ट्रेस बट आई मैनेज देम. सो इफ़ यू आर overthinking and having over expectation, then it is not going to do any good. Understand this thing. तुम सब लोग डॉक्टर्स हो. You all know logic, you all know evidence based medicine. So it says that if you have overthinking about the results, you are going to perform bad. It is not going to do any good. एग्जाम दे के निकलो, उसके बाद जितना ओवरथिंक करना है कर लेना. बिकॉज जैसे कि मैंने फर्स्ट एग्जाम में कुछ ओवर थिंकिंग वो सब कुछ नहीं किया था, मेरा रैंक 29 आया था. बट बिफोर INICT आई हैड मोर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. पीपल हैड एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑन मी दैट ही इज गोइंग टू परफॉर्म वेल इन द INICT. So I was in a bit of stress and my rank slided to 684. That only I'm telling you that your rank could be in this range. So अगर तुम्हारा clustering zone के आसपास range होता है, if you overthink, your rank can slide towards 20,000. But if you don't overthink and you stay calm and composed, then your rank could be in the top 10,000. A similar situation occurred in Mahabharata, where Arjuna was the best archer of the world, but still he didn't want to fight the war. And believe me, guys, NEET PG is a war. There also Krishna said, focus on your duty, not on the outcome. That only I am trying to convey you. Focus on your duty, what you have to do, and don't focus on the outcome. After giving the exam, then you can focus on the outcome. This thing you should put in your mind. If you want peace, then you should prepare for the war, because you can only bargain for peace if you have the power, if you have the military strength. सो तुम्हें भी अगर अपना लाइफ में पीस चाहिए तो इस वार के लिए तुमको प्रिपेयर करना ही पड़ेगा. दिस इज द अल्टीमेट वार. एंड फ्रॉम द recent टेस्ट इन लॉर्ड्स, if you have seen Jadeja, he knew that the match is lost. He still gave the best fight he could have given. History will remember him. But the most important thing is that he will remember that he has given the best. This is a success iceberg. You have studied iceberg phenomena in the community medicine. This is the success iceberg. No one will see your hard work, persistence, late night studies, rejections, sacrifices, discipline, criticisms you have faced from family members, friends, and relatives, doubts you had, failures you had, and the risks you have taken. But all will see your success. But at least your near and dear ones, your parents, your mentors will know that you have given your best. And at the end of the day, if you have given your best, you can be satisfied that yes, I have given my best and I am getting this rank, maybe a 20,000 rank. So I was dreaming of surgery, but I have given my best and I am getting 20,000 rank. So I should take maybe anesthesia or psychiatry. Then you will be satisfied. अगर तुमने ट्राई नहीं करके ऐसा एक रैंक अचीव किया, देन तुम कभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होगे एंड यू विल गो इनटू द लूप ऑफ गिविंग नीट पीजी अगेन एंड अगेन, नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग, गिविंग अगेन, again not preparing, giving again. So don't leave your hope and keep continuing the hard work. See, 6 to 7 years you all have given the hard work. You all have struggled through the MBBS to get the PG degree. So don't lose hope now. Now coming to what I did in this last 21 days was basic. I just stick to my source because your source is your God. I gave 2 revisions. If you jump between sources, then you will be ना घर का ना घाट का. Like तुमने डैम्स का CBT दिया एंड वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस DBT से आते हैं. नाउ यू आर हैविंग फोमो कि मैंने तो DBT नहीं पढ़ा इसलिए मेरा करेक्ट्स कम आया. So maybe I should study DBT. This is the biggest mistake that you can ever commit in this phase of preparation. You should never switch your source. Stick to your source, any source be it. Believe it that my source is my God, and revise it multiple number of times. What special thing I did which others have not done or don't tell is that I solved PYQs. I made a notes on the PYTs which I am seeing in the INICT and the NEET PG, and I annotated them in my rapid revision notes. Like this is my notes. So there is benign and malignant adenomatous polyp. Benign adenomatous polyp is hematomatous, and the years I had mentioned, which year it has come. So juvenile polyp, as it occurs less than 5 years, so SMAD 4 years of age. And Peutz-Jeghers polyp, it is STK 11 because it occurs in the juvenile age group, that is 5 to 15 years, that is near about the 11 years. Here it has large glands, and here there is a tree like arborizing pattern. Like this I had marked. So जितना बार मैं रिवाइज करूंगा, PYTs मेरे आंखों के अंदर घुस जाएंगी, मेरे दिमाग के अंदर घुस जाएंगी. Even if you wake me up, I will be able to tell the PYTs and the questions asked from there. So I had made my PYT notes, and I have made a modified one for especially for the NEET PG ones. You can have it. It is given in the description box below and in the pinned comment section. Believe me, it is going to really help you. Coming to PYQs, I solved 8 years of NEET PG, 7 years of INICT. मतलब मैरो में जितना दिया रहता है वो सॉल्व किया था. and by changing your plan to FMG, you can also solve the FMG questions. Only 1 year of FMG I had solved. That is the day just prior to the exam I had solved. And मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, so I couldn't review the bookmark questions. No question from bookmark came in the main exam. क्योंकि मैंने जब नीट पीजी दिया, INICT के पहले बुकमार्क्स रिव्यू कर रहा था, तब देखा कि ये सारा क्वेश्चन आता तो मेरे को तो नहीं आता था, तो मैं तो इसको छोड़ के आ जाता. बट दिस इज the God's grace, and fortune favors the brave. So you have to be brave. You should fight till the last day of the exam. Another important thing which I did was a complete social media cutoff. I had WhatsApp, I had YouTube to watch some videos and clear concepts, and Insta I used only the educational channels I used to follow. जो जो क्वेश्चंस मैरो में या फिर प्रेप लैडर में दे रहे थे, सो दोज वर सम इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आई यूज टू think about them, write a concise answer explaining them. So for that reason I used the Instagram till the last day, but I uninstalled my FB completely, and still now I don't use my FB. Believe me, I never had a schedule. मैं आजकल शेड्यूल बनाता हूँ because many people need a direction, and I didn't also have a printed note, so मेरे पास कोई इमेज बैंक नहीं था जिससे मैं इमेजेस को रिव्यू कर सकूं, which backfired me in the INICT. That's why I am making image banks also for you people if you are not having some printed notes. या फिर तुम लोगों का प्रिंटेड नोट्स में इमेज का क्वालिटी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, या फिर एकदम क्लासिकल इमेजेस नहीं दे सकते बिकॉज ऑफ कॉपीराइट इश्यूज. द थिंग आई वांट टू से यू इज दैट योर प्रिपरेशन मे नॉट बी परफेक्ट, but your result can be perfect. Like my preparation was not perfect. I had not revised the bookmark pre-IQs, which I should have revised, but still my result was perfect. So have this belief in yourself. फॉलो योर ओन स्ट्रैटेजी. आजकल तो यूट्यूब में बहुत लोग गाइड कर रहे हैं, तो जिसका गाइडेंस लेके तुमको रिजल्ट मिल रहा है उसी को फॉलो करो. डोंट सी अदर वीडियोस, डोंट वॉच एनी अदर persons or any other toppers or faculty's video. Watch that only from which you are getting result. I hope you all have seen the classmate ad. You don't need to become the second Dr. Zainab, the second Dr. JTM, or the second Mayuk Hajra. You need to become the first Dr. You. So believe in yourself and give your best. If my words resonated with you, then do share it with your friend who is on the same boat. And all the best for your upcoming FMG and NEET PG exam.